Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to crochet a bookmark with this green color yarn, and I'm going to use this 4mm crochet hook. So to start with, we have to make a slip knot first. Make a slip knot, and now chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and continue to make chains until you get 43. So guys, I have completed 43 chains, and now we have to start from the second last chain from the hook. This is a hook, and there is a first chain, and then one is the second chain. Just insert the hook inside the second chain, grab the yarn and make a single crochet. Now again with the next chain, make a single crochet. So again with the next chain, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make a single crochet. So this row consists of single crochets. So guys, continue to make single crochets throughout the row, throughout the chains. So guys, I just completed the single crochets throughout the chain. I have 42 single crochets in total. And now to start with the next row, chain 1 and turn your work, and now yarn over, put the hook inside the first single crochet, grab the yarn and make a double crochet. Make 1 double crochet. So again make 1 more double crochet on the next stitch. So continue to make double crochets on top of each and every stitches. So this one is a pattern for this row, that is, you have to make 1 double crochet on top of each and every stitches of the before row. So continue guys to make double crochets throughout the row. So guys, I just completed the double crochet, and I'm in the last double crochet, the last stitch. So insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull the yarn through the first 2 loops and then through the last 2 loops to make the last double crochet. So guys, this is how it looks. These are the 2 rows with single and double crochet. And now to start with the row 3, chain 1 and turn your work, and now make 1 double crochet on the top of the very first stitch. Now again 1 more double crochet on top of the same stitch. Chain 1 and 2 more double crochets on top of the same stitch. first double crochet and the second double crochet on top of the same stitch, so that we get a flower like structure. So now go to the very next stitch, insert the hook, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. So now again with the next stitch, very next stitch, at the very next stitch again insert the hook, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. So in total 2 slip stitches. So now again make a flower at the next stitch. So in order to make a flower you have to make 2 double crochets, 1 chain and 2 more double crochets on the same stitch. Second double crochet, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets. First double crochet and again 1 more double crochet on the same stitch. So now at the very next stitch over there make 1 slip stitch and again at the very next stitch make another slip stitch. So in total 2 slip stitches, and now you have to make the flower. So to make a flower it is 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 more double crochet inside the same stitches. So the second double crochet, chain 1 and 2 more double crochet inside the same stitch. So at the very next stitch over there make 1 slip stitch and at the very next stitch make 1 more slip stitch. So in total 2 slip stitches. So guys, this is a pattern you have to repeat: 1 flower and 2 slip stitches at the very next 2 stitches. Continue guys. So guys, I just completed the flower row. I'm at the last 2 stitches. So at the last 2 stitches make 1 slip stitch and 1 more slip stitch at the last stitch. So that is all guys. It is a simple bookmarker, and this is how it looks. This is the back side and this is the front side. This is the front side. I hope you like the bookmarker. This is a simple one. You can make it for yourself. Just fasten off the yarn. Just cut it with a pair of scissors and just fasten off. And the end yarn, it actually remains the same. So this one is the bookmarker guys. So I'll just keep the bookmarker and show you how it looks with the book. So this is how it looks if you place the bookmarker inside the book. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment box. Happy crocheting. Let me see you in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you.